What's up guys? I'm your Italian game dev. Today I'm going to talk with you about character movement and camera. I have a bit of experience about how to make a character movement. But since when Unity make a new input system, my brain was like, man, this is new input system? Damn, it's hard. This is the code? What? After some research, we understand how to use the Unity input system. And if the code is a little bit difficult than the old one, with only one simple line of code, literally one line, you can do the script for all controller you set on the input system window. And this is so cool. I have almost no experience with 3D and my friends too, but he did a fantastic job thanks to the tutorial of Sebastian Graves. Graves. That makes a series about how to move character and camera in 3D space. Movement is done. I mean, I know that we didn't put dev, attack, roll, etc. animation, but we did just the basic movement. In the next video, I'll show you the fall system, attack system, and so on. Now it's time for the camera. Because I want to do a Souls-like, camera is one of the fundamental parts of the gameplay. I need a third-person camera that has a free move around the character. At first, we follow the tutorial of Sebastian Graves, but he used the script to manage the camera. So, people, we are in 2021. We don't use the script for the camera. We use a super useful, powerful and tool made by Unity, that Unity provided to us. Cinemachine, guys. Cinemachine. I mean, making a camera with script base is cool because you can do exactly what you want just by write some code, but I think for our case, Cinemachine is more than better. The main problem about having a third-person camera is certainly the movement of the camera around the player, that should not be hyper-fast or hyper-slow. Having a great feel on camera movement is very hard, but after a long research I found our dev god break his video, and after his tutorial of third-person camera and a small change in Cinemachine FreeLook camera script, I can reach a good enough camera controller for testing purpose. I did also some stuff in 3D. Just to learn the program, I used Blender, that is free. I made an apple, a banana, a milk cartoon, a orange juice canned bottle, a road bollard, two types of tree and a street tile. Oh, yes, I even made a placeholder city, kind of city with tree and houses. Damn, it's horrible. However, I'm new in this stuff. Give me some time, please. Yes, I made a laser sword just because, I don't know, I made it. Done. But it is cool. Mostly with post-processing volume. You know, post-processing? This DevLog is done, guys. If you want to support me, download the Android games that I made, follow me on Twitter, Instagram and subscribe on my YouTube channel. For now è tutto raga, alla prossima.